guys, how are you doing today? I have a new product that I'm gonna try. This is not a sponsor, but I wanna try because it's fun. This is wax face waxing. This is the name Glee, but there is a lot of hair waxing or face waxing right now, but I have cut attention of this one, and then I saw the review. It's good review, so I just bought it. And because I'm searching for, because I'm tired for like shaving. If you like shaving, I'm tired for shaving, hair shaving. Especially my underarm kili power. So I so I already open it and try it. So this is what's inside, guys. It's a strip, because some other waxing you just like the heat, like there is a balls on it, just small, and then you need to hit it, and then put here, and then I didn't try it. This is my first time to try it, so I chose first the strip. There is wax strips 24, and there is a white after you wax your kili power, or you can use here in your, if you have a hairy mustache. I have a little one, but I don't want it, just the kili power. So this is the wipe, the Glee finishing wipe after you remove waxing your hair. And this is like an oil, wipes oil. This to smoothen your skin, kasi diba, parang if your first time to do waxing, it's like a little bit, I like masakit, masakit yung first time mo. So i-wipe mo to para mas smooth yung skin mo. Yeah, this one, it's 12 wipes. So ito yung nagamit ko na. And then the strips is like this. So parang bandage siya. So I will show you guys how to use it. Okay, let's try it. This is the strip. Look like para siyang bandage, pero magkaano sila. Ito, i-ganon mo lang, dahan-dahan lang. So both side you can use it. It's a gel. This one you can use it, and this one too. So I'll show you how to do it, because I have still left over in the side, I think, like that. Just like that, and then nadikit na siya. Wag mo lang patagalin na ano. So that one. So, tanggal, meron pang naiwan. So meron siya. Okay na to. So ito, guys, ito yung mga balahibo. So this is the oil after you put, after you oh well, I recommend this product if you wanna try it, because for me it's very effective. It's work for my kili power. It's work for my kili, so no more, no more hair right now. And then it said at least 3 weeks before it's starting grow your hair again. And yes, so yeah, I like this product. I recommend it. Try it. I bought this one, guys, in Walmart. I think maybe like $12 something, but it's nice. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can find for my next video. Bye bye.